So hello everybody, this is my F700GS motorcycle, and I want to show you what problems I encountered during the last 3-4 weeks. So I encounter rough idle, loss of power, and yeah, the engine was not even starting sometimes when it was already warmed up. So I already warmed up the engine now to show you exactly what happens. As you can see, it has around 33,000 miles on it. So yeah, you can see 33,000 miles, and let's see how it works. Maybe you can also hear that there is also some misfires. There are some misfires from time to time. So the engine is not running smooth when staying at idle. At the moment it's not very visible. Let's wait a little bit. Just push a little bit the throttle. So we have a rough idle. At the moment it's not very visible, but it is if you are really accustomed to F700 or 800GS. Once again, it was quite a long start. Let me show you again. I will show you how the motorcycle was behaving when it was not working. So it randomly behaves like this. So the way I resolved the problem was to replace my ignition coils, because one of them was randomly causing problems. So I bought new OEM ignition coils from BMW. They are in fact made by Elder, as you can see. Now the motorcycle is running just like the first day when I bought it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will find it useful.